Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll prepare by confirming prerequisites. MySQL server running, VSCode 2022 installed, and a connection extension like SQL tools. First actionable step, open VSCode and install the extension. You need it to manage connections from the editor. Next, create or verify a database user with proper privileges and note host, port, username, and password. Once done, test the MySQL server locally with the CLI. MySQL user P and confirm you can log in before proceeding to extension configuration. Now you configure the connection inside the extension. From SQL Tools, click New Connection, then fill host, localhost or IP, port 3306, username, password, and default database. Give the profile a clear name. Make sure to select MySQL driver and, if needed, provide SSL or socket options. Once the profile is saved, use the built-in Test Connection button to validate credentials and network. If the test succeeds, open a new SQL editor, pick the connection, and run a quick select one or show tables to confirm access. Finish by integrating the connection into your workflow. Save the profile, pin it for quick queries, and run your migration or development scripts directly from VS Code. Make sure to configure SSL or socket settings if your environment requires encrypted connections. If something goes wrong, first verify MySQL is listening on the expected port and that the user is allowed to connect from your host. Also check firewall rules. A single troubleshooting tip. Attempt a CLI login from the same machine to isolate extension issues from server or network problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.